In this demonstration, we will install an N-Central probe. In the left menu, open Actions and click Download Agent or Probe. Select the customer and site. Click Windows Probe to download the software. In this example, we will select a customer-specific probe. Selecting a system probe requires additional configuration. Note the download location. Transfer the file to a Windows workstation or server that is always online. Run the file and follow the prompts in the install wizard. Be prepared to enter proxy information if using, administrator credentials, and network IP ranges. Click Finish to exit the wizard. The device appears in the All Devices view. To verify the probe, go to Administration and click Probes. Once the probe installation is complete, the probe scans the network for devices and imports them into N-Central based on the Discovery default settings.